Hello there, YouTube world. Holden Outdoors here again. This time, I got a little surprise for you. We got the KG Pocket Knife. As I said before, I'm a big KG fan, so here we go. Let's open it up together. Starting off, I like the weight of it. I like the way it feels. It's got a little like, I won't say like sandpaper, but it's got like grip for it. There's the blade. It's got the KG logo. And it is sharp as soon as you get it, so watch out, don't cut yourself on it. But we'll be taking this to Cherokee with us Saturday, so be ready for some videos for Sunday. It might be Monday. But there it is. I like it. Feels good in the hand. Let's see how good it will clean some fish this weekend, some trout. But there's you another video from Holden Outdoors. Remember, God is good, and He blessed us with this day today, so I always wake up and give Him thanks. So there it is.